Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove app from app library. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And if I start swiping to the left again and again, I open up my app library and there are all applications that installed on that specific device. So if I want to delete some application like that, I just tap and hold there, select remove app, and there I got two options: delete app or just remove the app from the home screen. The first option deletes application from device, the second option deletes app just from home screen. But if you select delete app, you want to completely delete that application from your device, deleting of that application will depends on your phone settings. So in some cases you can tap delete app, but this app will still be available in your app library. So let me show you how to set up that feature. First, open up your settings and there select screen time, and next hit on content and privacy restriction right there, and then go to iTunes and App Store purchases, and there is the option of deleting apps. Now it's allowed, it's setting by default, but if you give your phone to your kid and if you're afraid that your kid can delete your application, you can go into that option and select there don't allow. So now if you select remove app, now you are not able to completely delete your application from that device. You can just remove them from the home screen. So applying that option, you prevent deleting applications from your device. I hope it was helpful for you. Make sure you like this video and see you next time.